Okay, what is up everyone? So here's my S9 Plus, which is currently running on the latest update, the June update, security patch update. So now what has happened here, when I updated this thing, my phone has turned green. Actually in the night mode, the background where it is written software update should be black. But when it happened, look at this. This thing is black, but when you see software update where it's written, it's greenish black kind of a thing, and the gray part is also turned green. So actually when I'm looking my phone through my eyes, it's greenish gray kind of thing. But this is one thing, but the entire settings menu or everywhere where it should be black, it's turned to be green and grayish thing all around this. It's not visually satisfying. Look at this thing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll give you a comparison. Here it is. Look at this thing, how the blacks are here. Hold on. Look at this thing, how the blacks are here, and look at here how the black it is. It's not black, it's green, or something has gone wrong with the screen, but it has happened after the update. Okay, now one more problem here it is. When I try to unlock my phone, here I go. Look at this thing, it starts patching up everywhere. I don't know how it's happening, it never happened before, but it's happening now after the update. Here we go inside the menu. Look at this, how it's smudging up. Here we go, that's one thing. And in the recents menu, look at this, it should be grayish, but it has turned green. I don't know why it's doing that. I hope anyone has a solution in that. Please let me know, or please let Samsung know that it is happening with devices. And that's it. That's all I wanted to address. Thank you.